What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ezra CM, aka the Virtual Gangster, aka Mr. Push Them NFTs, aka Eugene the Unemployed Engineer, aka the Man with 5,000 Hands. And today I'm bringing y'all an updated video to one of my previous videos, how to fix date and time issues on the Oculus Quest 2. I've been getting a lot of comments saying that the date could not be changed. Matter of fact, let me read a couple to y'all. So here is one from Dis Smith. He says, how do I change the date? I changed the time, but the date is still off. And then Ghost Cosign, that man must have like a 800 credit score the way he's co-signing. He says, I have the same issue. Look, don't y'all worry. I got the solution for y'all. Here is a more comprehensive method, and make sure you guys like this video so it can reach the audience that it's intended to reach, so people don't end up on my last video and they end up on this video that kind of is more of a catch-all. So once again, you're going to need SideQuest access. I'm not going to make a video on how to do that. There's tons of videos out there. Once you have SideQuest access, bring your ass back here and we can move forward with the tutorial that way. All right, y'all, hopefully by this point you've gotten access to SideQuest and developer options on your Oculus Quest 2. Like I said, there's a ton of tutorials out there. So the next step in the tutorial is to establish a connection between SideQuest and your Oculus Quest 2. To do this, take a USB-C cable and plug that mug right into your Quest 2. And so now, SideQuest, there should be a green little circle at the top left of the app indicating that you've established a connection with your Oculus Quest 2. And then what we're going to want to do is run ADB commands right here. Now ADB, as I mentioned in my previous video, stands for Android Debug Bridge, and that just allows you to run certain commands that you normally wouldn't be able to run. So what you're going to do is copy the phrase or like command line input that I have in the description and paste it. So you're going to paste it into here. It's a bunch of coding language that I haven't taken the time to really even want to understand. But what it's going to do is going to open the Oculus TV app in your Oculus Quest. So we're going to run the command, and what you should see is it saying starting intent and then all of this crap. So just make sure that it says this and you should be good. So now I'm going to cut over to inside my headset so you can see what I'm seeing and the different settings I'm going to toggle. Okay, now that we've ran the ADB command, this is what you should be greeted with. Now, for any of you who have used an Android device, this should look very familiar to you. What we've done is we've tricked the Quest 2 into showing its, bare operating system and, showing the Android settings that normally we would not have been able to change if we were running it with the Oculus shell over it. So we want to scroll down to System and then go to Date and Time. So now by default, or at least when your time and date is working properly, you should use network provided time. But in this situation, you're going to toggle it off so you can change the settings. So for the date, you can change it to whatever date you want. For any of you who are having date conflicts, set it to the right date and then press OK. For the time, this time is pretty straightforward. You just set time and press OK, and it's an instantaneous change. So like here, I set it to 1:47 in the settings, and my Quest is telling me it's 1:47 p.m. For date changes, you're going to change the date. Let's say, for example, to January 16th. You're going to press OK, and you notice that the Quest is not reflecting that change. What you're going to have to do is reset your headset. So once you do that, the date should be at the right settings. But for me, I'm just going to use network provided time, and this should handle everything properly. And then you're going to want to go ahead and reset your device and you should be good to go. Like I mentioned before, don't forget to drop a like so this can, reach the intended audience. And if this was helpful, maybe you can drop a subscription. With that being said, it's been your boy, the Virtual Gangster. Y'all have a nice day.